Most Americans think they understand money. They work, they save, they invest, they pay taxes, so they assume the system is fair. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The system doesn't need you to understand it. It only needs you to believe it. Let me explain. From the time you're a kid, you're taught one simple rule. Work hard and you'll be fine. Sounds reasonable? Feels honest? Completely incomplete. Because the real rule is different. Money doesn't reward effort. It rewards position. And most people never get to choose their position. Think about this. You work 40 hours a week, your paycheck comes in, bills go out. Rent, food, insurance, gas. Whatever's left, that's called savings. But while you're saving, the system is multiplying money somewhere else, quietly. Here's where the lie starts. Most people believe money comes from work. It doesn't. Money is created from debt. Banks don't wait for deposits. They don't lend your money. They create new money when they approve loans, mortgages, car loans, student debt, credit cards. Every time someone borrows, new money appears, and when that debt is paid back, that money disappears. So the system needs one thing to survive: more debt. Now here's the part nobody likes hearing. If the system needs debt, then people who avoid debt slow the system down. That's why debt is normalized, advertised, celebrated. Good debt, smart debt, leveraging. Sounds fancy, feels responsible, but it keeps the machine running. And guess who benefits first? Not workers, not savers, asset holders. People who already own things that rise when money expands. Stocks, real estate, businesses. When new money enters the system, it doesn't reach everyone equally. It hits assets first. Prices go up, wealth grows. By the time inflation reaches groceries and rent, the damage is already done. And that's the lie. Inflation isn't random. It's not bad luck. It's not weather. It's a feature, a silent transfer. From people who hold cash to people who hold assets. No announcement, no villain, no breaking news. Just math. Now here's the irony. The system tells you save money, but punishes you for holding it. It tells you be responsible, but rewards risk. It tells you inflation is under control while your life gets more expensive. And most people feel it, but can't explain it. So they blame themselves. I should have worked harder. I should have planned better. But this isn't about effort. It's about structure. The biggest money lie isn't that money is scarce. It's that the rules are the same for everyone. They're not. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. So here's the real question. If money is designed this way, if the system runs on debt and inflation is built in, what does playing it safe actually mean anymore?